Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel and today we are going to learn how to use remote play together in Steam. So let's get started. So if you're trying to use remote to play games together in your Steam, now to do that what you can do is follow some easy steps. First what you have to do is to simply open up your Steam and then tap on the library option which is on the top left. After tapping on library, now you will find this filters option over here beside the search bar. Just tap on it and after tapping on that, now you will find remote play together option. Just tap on remote play together and after tapping on that option, now you'll find all the games that are allowed or have the feature to play with remote. So you will find it over here. Currently I don't have any, but if you have that game, what you can do is just simply open it and then tap on shift tab, and after typing in shift plus tab, now you'll find the link on the top of your screen. What you can do is just simply copy that link and share it with your friend, and after sharing it, now you and your friends can play together. So that's it guys, this is how to use remote play together in Steam. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.